Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Farsoon's Technology and Integration Center, where we are at the forefront of innovation for additive manufacturing. I'm Davide Dallaglio, Technical Service and Application Engineer in Farsoon Europe, and today I'm excited to introduce our latest innovation in ultra-temperature polymer powder-bed fusion, the UT252P. Farsoon has been a leader in high-temperature 3D printing with laser sintering technology since 2014. By being successful in launching several medium to large format 3D printers globally. The new UT252P platform, with processing capabilities up to 240 degrees C, is designed for demanding high-temperature application. It's particularly suited for applications like automotive, railway, medical devices, and aerospace, where precision and durability are crucial. Now, let's take a look at the build chamber. The UT252P features a versatile square build envelope of 250 by 250 by 220 mm and a powerful 100-watt CO2 laser, offering exceptional flexibility for high-temperature material application development and part production. Ideal for industries seeking efficient and customizable processing for high-performance materials. The UT252P is designed with advanced features that ensure reliable and repeatable high-temperature part production. The UT252P is engineered with an advanced 8-zone thermal control system and optimized structural design, allowing for extended operation time at powder bed temperature exceeding 300 degrees C. Enhanced thermal insulation ensures that the optical system remains cool, maintaining a temperature below 37 degrees C. Additionally, the machine's external surfaces are kept at 40 degrees C, ensuring both operational safety and stability, even under ultra-high temperature conditions. The UT252P platform incorporates a robust bottom powder feed mechanism and a roller recoater, ensuring a stable and precise delivering process, even under ultra-high temperature conditions. This bottom feed design facilitates powder changing, supporting the development and testing of new materials. These capabilities make it suitable for producing end-use applications that require superior thermal resistance, mechanical properties, and fine details. At Farsoon, our open material philosophy has allowed us to team up with top material suppliers and partners to refine a PEEK family material with excellent chemical and thermal resistance, wear resistance, low moisture absorption, and flame retardant, the perfect tough material. Finally, as all Farsoon systems, the UT252P is powered by Farsoon BuildStar and MixStar software packages, which prepare the build package and control the machine operation to ensure the build quality. This is the powerful Farsoon UT252P, with many unique and advanced capabilities, such as ultra-temperature, build quality, and ease of use. If you'd like to know more, please contact us at globalinfo@farsoon.com. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon. Bye.